up, guys? We have plenty of toys in our tray. We have green, and orange. These are so muddy. So mud. Wow, these are so muddy. This is motorbike, the military truck, trains, many more. Wow, that's awesome. That's great. There is so mud. We have bucket. We have bucket there. Let's collect them all. Wow. This is bike. Bike. This is plane. The animal toy. Marvel superhero. Another superhero. The train. That's tank. Small jeep. Another superhero. That's animal. Gun. Another superhero. A cute toy. A train. Super truck. A small car. Wow, that's awesome. Hey guys, we have clean water. Wow, that's awesome. Now we are going to wash them. Let's see. Wow, that's awesome. It's Marvel superhero. Thanos. Let's see what's next. Wow. Wow. That's train. Wow. Awesome. That is green. Wow, that's another train. Awesome. What is this? That's motorbike. It's a small car. It's so cute. Wow, that's awesome. What's next? It's tank. Wow, awesome. What's next? Wow, that looks like gun. Wow, that's so nice. Let's see. That's so Spider-Man. Captain America.
Captain America! Boy, am I glad to see you! Green Goblin robbed the bank!
Green Goblin, huh? That guy's nothing but trouble. How about I help you catch him?
That's awesome. A cute little toy. Let's see. Wow. That is Iron Man.
Yeah. So, we don't destroy Ultron?
Nope, we recycle him into a trash collecting bot.
Awesome. Wow. That's a small jeep. Wow. Wow, that's plane. Aeroplane. Next, wow, the giant truck. This is like a juicer mixer. That is so big. That is so big. That's military truck. Wow. Let's see. That's bike.
Vinales is wide. That was a really, really big error by Vinales.
This is cheetah. Awesome. Wow, let's see next. Wow, that's lion. This guys.